comment on my video calls and join meetings. Without these, Alexa, join my Zoom meeting.
Does this meeting require a passcode to join?
Yes.
What is the meeting passcode?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
To connect to meetings automatically, you can link your calendar to your Alexa account.
Hi guys. Sorry, I'm late. Okay, let's get started.
My meetings are so much more relaxing now.
Amanda, can you have that in by Friday?
Let's
Circle back on that, guys.
Okay, yeah.
Now that my calendar and Alexa are as one, it's time for my favorite meeting of the day. Alexa, join my Zoom meeting.
Do you want me to join the meeting Brain Tingle Tuesday?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello. Good evening, Whisper Sisters.
Good evening.
Hi. Matthew, I think that you are on mute.
Matthew, turn up your volume.
Oh, sorry.